Which was the last question we did? Tell me the
Sir,
last.
we have done till question number 7. What is the angle covered by the hour hand from 2:20 p.m. to 4:30 p.m.?
Okay.
Sir, we have to write this on the in our copies.
No, beta, no. You don't have to write. Okay, write down the next question. Yeah, write down, all of you. Are you all sitting with your copies and copies?
Yes, sir.
So the question is, in how much time will the minute hand in how much time will the minute hand of the clock in how much time will the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of cover an angle of 252 degrees. 252 degrees. In how much time will the minute hand of a clock cover an angle of 252 degrees? Okay, written. Start doing. This is question number 8. Is this question
Yes,
number 8?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start it.
Sir, 42 minutes. Sir, 42
42
minutes.
minutes. Correct answer.
42.
Very good. Who has given the answer?
Sir, Ayush.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Have you all done?
Yes, sir, done.
No, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have you all got the answer? 42 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is given that the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock is 252 degrees. Angle, this time the angle is given, the time is not given. In previous questions, we were doing the questions that we were doing. The time was given and you had to find the angle. Now in this question, the angle is given and you have to find the time. In how much time will the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of 252 degrees? So let us assume that the minute hand covers this angle in x minutes. Okay, that you will write down. So statement, you can write down a statement if you want. So let us assume that the minute hand will cover this much angle in x minutes. Clear, all of you?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
in 1 minute, we all know this. When you see point number 7 that I made you write down, in 1 minute, the angle covered by the minute hand is 6 degrees. You all know this? So in x minutes, now how many minutes are there? X minutes. In x minutes, the angle covered will be 6 multiplied by x, which is also equal to 6x. So the angle covered in x minutes is 6x degrees. Okay. So this will be in degree. So 6x degree is the angle covered by the minute hand in x minutes. Okay. And this angle is already given. What is the angle covered by the minute hand? That is already given 252 degrees. So what we are going to do, we will make an equation. 6x equals to 252. 6x equals to 252. So you get x equals to 252 divided by 6. Therefore, x equals to 42 degrees. Clear? All of you? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In 1 minute, the angle covered
Yes,
is
sir.
in x minutes, the angle covered will be 6x. And this angle is given 252 degrees. This time, the angle is given, so you can take advantage of this. You can, with the help of the angle, you can find the value of x. And sorry, this is not degrees, 42 minutes. I'm sorry, this is 42 minutes, the minute hand of the clock will cover an angle of 252 degrees in 42 minutes. Okay. Clear? Ready for the next one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, please wait.
Sir, please tell the question number 8.
This is question 8.
No, sir, the question.
Urvashi, beta, please speak the question. Tell him the question.
In how much time will the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of 252 degrees?
Please repeat it slowly.
In how much time will the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of 252 degrees?
In how much time
Will the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of 252 degrees?
in how much time will the minute hand of the clock
Cover an angle
cover an angle of
252
252 degrees? Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm giving you question number 9.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this method of all we have we have done all of the questions. Okay, so sir, in these questions we have सर हमारे पास सर बहुत सारे सर फॉर्मूला है सर, तो सर हमें वही यूज करना है ना एग्जाम्स में.
Yes.
ओके सर.
Okay. Yeah. Next one.
यस
In
सर.
how much time? In how much time will the minute hand in how much time will the minute hand of a clock cover an angle of
In how much time will the minute hand
of a clock the minute hand of the clock cover an angle of 456 degrees. Cover an angle of 456 degrees. Cover an angle of 456 degrees. Start doing.
Sir, 76 minutes.
76. The answer is correct. Correct answer. Very good.
The answer is 76. Sir, answer is 76.
Correct answer, beta. Very good.
Okay, sir. Sir, in exams, sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, in exam, we will get these type of question or other type.
Beta, all these types of questions that we are doing, you will see them in exams also.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the answer is 76.
Correct answer. Very good.
Sir,
Yes. May I explain this? You all must have done this. Same type of question.
Yes, sir, we are done in notebook.
Look at this. This time the angle is 456 degrees. So again, you will assume that this angle will be covered in x minutes. So assume that the angle will be covered by the minute hand in x minutes. So we all know that in 1 minute the minute hand covers 6-degree angle. In x minute it will cover 6x degrees angle. Now the angle is equal to 456. This angle is already given, which is 456. So you from this you find the value of x, 456 divided by 6. When you divide this, you get 76 minutes. Or you can also find your answer in hours and minutes. So your answer will be 1 hour 16 minutes. So whenever it is more than 60 minutes, you should convert your answer in hours and minutes. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
It is possible that in because this is an MCQ, you all know this will come in MCQs. So it is possible that you may not see 76 in the options. If I give options like this, option A, 66 minutes. Option B, 56 minutes. Option C, 60 minutes. And option D, 1 hour, 16 minutes. If I give an MCQ and I give these options. Now, when you see the option, 76 minutes is not there in the options. So which answer you will?
Option D.
Option?
The option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Okay. So it is important to convert the answer in hours and minutes also. Okay. So if you are not converting in, you will get confused that the answer 76 minutes. Although you have found the answer, you know that the answer is 76 minutes. But when you see the options, you will not see 76 in the options. Okay. Clear? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You will get
Yes,
confused.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, does we have a book of it?
No, beta.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Question number 10. Write down in how much time will the hour hand of a clock in how much time will the hour hand of a clock the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of cover an angle of 48 degrees. In how much time will the hour hand of a clock cover an angle of 48 degrees? Start doing.
Sir, 160 minutes.
How much?
Sir, 1 hour and 18 minutes.
1 hour 18 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Check your answer, beta.
Sir, 1.6 hours.
1.6 hours. Hmm. Can you convert your answer in minutes and hours? Yes, it is correct. 1.6 hours is correct. Convert your answer in minutes and hours. Hours and minutes. matlab. Okay, look at this, all of you. Very similar type of question, बस minute hand की जगह मैंने hour hand कर दिया है. So 48 degree angle is to be covered by the hour hand. कितने time में cover करेगा? Let us assume that the hour hand covers this angle in x minutes. फिर से वही मान लिया that the hour hand covers this angle in x minutes. Okay. Now we all know that in 1 minute, what is the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute?
30 degree.
No,
0.5 degree.
0.5 degrees. और 0.5 भी लिख सकते हैं और क्या लिख सकते हैं?
1/2.
1/2. Anything you can write. Either you write 0.5 degrees or you write 1/2 degrees. So in 1 minute, the angle covered is 1/2 degrees. I am taking 1/2. In x minutes, the angle covered will be 1/2 multiplied by x. So this will be the angle covered in x minutes. Okay. Now this angle is given 48. So 1/2 into x is equal to 48. So this is your equation. Okay. Now you take this 2. This is in divide. When you take it to RHS, it will go and multiply. 1 to x के साथ multiply होके x हो जाएगा बस. 1 multiplied by x is x. The 2 which is there in the denominator will go to RHS and it will multiplied. It will be multiplied by 48. So x 48 into 2, x equals to 96 minutes. Or you can also show that 1 hour 36 minutes. 1 hour 36 minutes. This is the answer.
Sir,
Clear?
my answer is coming 1.6.
Tell me what you have done, beta.
Sir, I have done in hours only. I have not converted them in minutes.
You tell me from the starting what you have done.
Sir, I do, sir, x hour equals to 48 angle and 1 hour equals to 30 angle. X hour equals to 30x and 30x hour equals to 48 angle. X hour equals to 48 upon 30. Simplify. So then we get 24 upon 50 and so then I divided them. So sir, we get 1.6.
Okay, let me tell you what you have done. Let me tell you what you have done. Vaibhav.
Okay, sir.
Have you all done this? And understood the
No,
method?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav, you have taken in 1 hour, the hour hand in 1 hour, the hour hand covers an angle of 30 degrees. यही करा है आपने? And in x hour,
Yes, sir.
the angle covered will be 30 into x.
30x, sir.
That is 30x.
Yes,
So
sir.
30x equals to 48. Now x equals to 48 upon 30. Answer is 1.6. Now because you are doing this in hours, your answer is 1.6 hours. This is correct. But if you don't see this in option, what will you do? If this
Yes,
answer
sir.
is not there in the options, what will you do? You will get confused.
Yes.
1.6
Yes,
hours.
sir.
What you have to do here? You have to convert this in hours and minutes. 1 hour तो यहाँ पे पहले से ही है. 1.6 का मतलब क्या होता है? 1 hour is complete. And now this 0.6 you have to convert in minutes. So how do you convert 0.6 in minutes? 0.6 multiplied by 60. 1 hour has 60 minutes. आप सबको मालूम है 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 0.6 you have to convert in minutes. So you multiply it by 60. So it come in minutes. So this will be 1 hour. When you multiply 0.6 by 60, you get 36 minutes. 1 hour 36 minutes. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So you just have to convert your answer in hours and minutes.
Okay, sir.
Or if you directly multiply 1.6 by 60, you will get the answer in minutes. अगर मैं इसमें सिर्फ 1.6 को 60 से multiply कर दूंगा, I will get my answer in minutes. That will be 96 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Next one. Ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What are the question? Note down. There is a word problem.
Sir, your video.
It is a word problem. Note down the question. Hrithik Roshan left his home Hrithik Roshan left his home at 7:15 a.m. 7:15 a.m. 7:15 a.m. Left his home at 7:15 a.m. to go to his school. To go to his school. Full stop. When he reached his school, when he reached his school, the angle covered by the minute hand when he reached his school, the angle covered by the minute hand was 144 degrees. 144 degrees. Was 144 degrees. Full stop. When he reaches his school, the angle covered by the minute hand of the clock was 144 degrees. Full stop. At what time he reached his school? At what time he reached his school?
Sir, minute hand or hour hand was there?
Minute hand, minute hand. At what time he reached his school?
Sir, this question is
What?
this question is this much only.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
7:39
a.m.
7:39
7:39 a.m.
7:39 a.m. is absolutely
a.m.
correct. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you,
Correct.
sir.
Sorry, this is question number 11, I think. 11, है ना? Yes. Oh. The question is angle covered by
7:39
the
is the
minute,
answer, sir.
angle covered by the minute hand is given 144 minutes. Now, फिर से आप मान लीजिए कि x minutes में cover करा है. This angle is covered by the minute hand in x minutes. मान लिया. We all know that 1 minute में कितना cover होता है 6 degrees. Now in x minutes, what will be the angle covered? This will be 6x. So 6x equals to 144. X equals to 144 upon 6.
24.
You get 24 minutes. So the minute hand
Sir,
will
now
cover
we will add.
144 degrees in 24 minutes. Minute hand कितनी देर में cover करेगा? 24 minutes में. So that means he reached his school in 24 minutes. So you have to tell the time, at what time he reached the school. So you add 7:15 AM में आप क्या ऐड करेंगे? You will add 24 minutes. So at what time will he reach the school? He will reach the school at 7:39 AM. Got it? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir. Dun, dun, dun.
Please turn on your videos, all of you.
Sir?
आयुष अग्रवाल बेटा शक्ल नहीं दिख रही तुम्हारी, अंधेरे में बैठे हो। और कौन सा वैभव वर्मा? वर्मा जी कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ सर।
कुछ लग रहे हो?
सो के उठा हूँ तो तुरंत क्लास लेने को पापा ने कहा है, उठ कर ले लिया।
ये लग रही है, बढ़िया लग रहा है।
और सर आप कैसे हो?
कट रही है तुम्हारी राज में।
अच्छा सर।
Okay, so that is it for today. Hope
सर
we will meet tomorrow.
Sir,
Yes. Any doubt?
sir, if we write the way you are writing the answer in paper, you will cut the marks or not?
Beta, first of all, it will be MCQs. So, मुझे कोई method नहीं, it will be only MCQs.
Okay.